it to. Yeah.
Let me have one. You got your camera?
Yeah.
It's on.
I'm not drunk. I haven't had anything to drink.
Come on, you're gonna be covered drunk. Come on.
I haven't had
I
anything
can smell
to.
it on you.
No, you can give me bring your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer.
So what?
Ah! Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer.
Grab her.
Ah! Ah! Get out of me!
Now you better get charged.
Get out of
Now
me!
you better get charged.
Oh, come on, Lord. She slipped that. Oh. Brianna, you wanna walk?
Grab her.
Ah! Get out of me! Get out of me! Get out of me! Get out of me! I ain't broke no law. I ain't broke no law. Get out of me!
Yeah, lock.
Get out of me!
There we go. It's on lock.
I bet you I hang myself as soon as I get in there. I bet you I hang myself as soon as I get in there. I don't care. It's more than one way to kill yourself. I know what you told me. It's more than one way to kill yourself. Yeah.
Brianna, get up and walk.
No.
Come on.
Y'all better knock me out. And I got a sting in my heart.
Come on, Brianna.
No, why my brother?
Hold up. I know how to get her out.
Take me. You can take me. You can take me. I don't care. I don't care.
Get up.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Ain't nobody gonna take you.
I don't care. 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 I don't care.
You got the other side closed? Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
What you got?
My damn Bluetooth.
Huh?
My Bluetooth. That thing on my ear. It should be flash. Let's see that shit. Alright, anyway, he said what now?
You done head back up that ditch.
I don't know, it felt like when we were pulling up around here somewhere. Damn. Can't breathe in there down there. They're back here somewhere. They're back here somewhere. And shit. I ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, now what you saying about the light?
No, I just said you said flashing.
Yeah, it should be a little black thing with a little blue light flash. Oh, you know what? It ain't gonna be flash because you don't want to think of it. Oh, you know it. Nice, yeah. Oh, there you go, right there.
What?
Right over there. Back tire.
Alright. Okay, will your dome light come on in back there?
Yeah.
Cut your light and sight, keep out.
Alright.
Call them out again.
Alright. $27.
Hancock 27.
4 units gonna be en route to the SO, 1 female, 1095. We get the mileage gonna be 146,211.
10-4 starting mileage 146-211-0058.
Run. Hell yeah. We don't need ambulance. Brown. Brown. That shit unlocked by itself. You won't call the ambulance.
She's still breathing. Go ahead.
27 Hancock.
She getting up. How your back door?
Hancock 27.
Send Greta to their location.
She alright. Sit up. Sit up.
10-4.
Sit up. Sit up. Go ahead, sit up.
You need to check out.
Yeah. She jumped out the car.
That female just jumped out the vehicle.
10-4.
Let's take the cuffs off. Take the cuffs off. Sit her up. Sit up. Sit up, Brianna. You all right? You got some water?
No, hell no. Let me get off. Here you go. I can't see shit now.
Go ahead.
I'm getting in 1018. 27 Hancock. Send Greta to 1018.
She's still breathing. She's fine. Take the cuffs off. You let the cuffs stay on. You let the cuffs stay on.
You want to take on?
Yeah. How did she jump out the car? Don't supposed to be unlocked from the back.
Shit, ain't
We
supposed
just
to.
do a report. She fine.
Oh.
She fine. You got your light?
No. Yeah. $37 Hancock.
287.
Have Greta come in from Hickory Grove side, off Show Road.
10-4 clear.
Yeah, she fine. She can see my finger. She just doggone which car. How your back door open? But that's, we'll write a report and just say, you know, like you said, you got it. Back door open. We want to, you know, but we good. We good. Just keep it check.
Y'all are stressed.
Brianna.
Oh.
She fine. Yeah, she fine. She breathing. Brianna. Come on, this Deputy Prime. Come on.
I ain't got nothing in the car, no water, no
Don't
nothing.
worry about it. She fine. Oh, I got a little bit. Hold her right here. Hold her right here. I got a little bit more. I just give her
Brown. Brown. I really couldn't tell, but I don't think so. I really couldn't tell, but I don't believe so, though. I don't know.